Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Python on a Windows based PC. So all what we need to do is to launch our favorite web browser as I have done here, and we are going to visit this website here, which is python.org. So let's hit enter, and once we get to the website of Python, we just need to click on this download here. So download, and we want to download for Windows. So let's click on Windows here. And so now we are going to scroll down and we are going to download the version of Python that is appropriate for the particular kind of computer you are using. So I am going to download Python 3.7.6. This is the version I'm talking about, Python 3.7.6. So I want to download the executable installer, this one. So we are going to download the Windows x86-64 executable installer. So let's click on this link and we want to start the download. So I think we are done with the web browser. We can close it off and we will have to patiently wait for our download to complete. So some 10 seconds more to go. Okay. So we are done. Now that our download is complete, all that we need to do is to double click on this executable file to install it on our PC. So let's do that. Let's double click on this file here. And we have a few customizations that we have to do here. So the first thing I would like us to do is we are supposed to add Python 3.7 to our path. And the reason why we are doing this is because we want to be able to access Python from the command prompt. If you don't understand this, I will show you when we are done installing the Python software. So let's click on this checkbox here and add Python 3.7 to the path. Then we also click on customize installation and we make sure that all these checkboxes are checked. Then let's click on next. And so this is the path that Python is going to be installed in. But before I actually proceed with the installation, let me just prove to you that Python currently is not installed. So I'm going to open my command prompt, and if we type Python, which is a valid Python command, let's hit enter. We can see that the command prompt is complaining that the command we are entering, the Python command we just entered, is not a recognized internal or external command. So let me move this aside and let's continue with our installation. And so we are going to click on install. So we leave all these unchecked checkboxes as they were, and those that are checked, we also leave them checked. So let's click on install. So in fact, today is all about patience. So let's wait for the setup process to complete. Okay, we are almost done. I think now we can even close this window because we no longer need it. So as we can see, our setup was successful. So all that we need to do is to close this window here. And then we are going to search for Python here, Python. So as we can see now, we have the Python idle, which is an IDE for Python. And all these files here, the moment they show up when you search for it here, means that Python has now been installed on your computer. So let's try the command that previously gave us an error. So I'm going to type the same command, which is Python, and I'm going to hit enter. And it still says Python is not recognized. So we are going to restart the command prompt. So cmd, and so let's try Python again. So now you can see that we no longer got an error message, but then now we can see that we are in the Python shell, and you can see the version of Python we downloaded and installed. So it is Python 3.7.6. So basically we can type any Python command that we want. So let's say we want it to print hello, for example. So let's hit enter, and you can see that everything is working nicely. So thanks a lot for watching this video, and if you have any comments about this video, please leave it in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to the channel already, I urge you to subscribe so that you'll be the first to know when I upload the next video. Bye for now.